Hello bros, this is Minecraft Gaming and I'm going to show you guys two things that you shouldn't do in and you should know about it. Just two. Cause I'm trying to find it. Finding by my own obsidian and flint. You can build how big is your portal, but it must be 4 stack high or no it will not work. Just like that and then go in. If you're in Nether, you cannot sleep in Nether, because if you do sleep, it will explode. Just like when you're survival, you're just hanging out, just like that, then just boom, you're dead. And one more, if you break this, again, go back. You're about here, right? But they're like this and this over here. I just built one more at the side. And you go inside, it will generate a new world. Your other world is not it's not there. I put this as a sign and go back. And with one more here. It will generate your world. Different portal you go, different world you go. And just do this. Is that the wrong portal? Sorry. You build like this, you build like that. If you build the same portal, you will go to the same place that you go. If you build a different portal, a different size of the portal, exactly just like this, you turn it on, going, wait, is this wrong? Yep, it's wrong. And if you go back here, it do that every time. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.